Isn't it the worst feeling when you check your bank balance and see that surprise overdraft fee? That one charge that throws your budget completely off track. If you bank with Regions, you know those fees can add up fast. But what if there was a simple way to sidestep them? Today, we're diving into exactly how you can use Regions Bank's own features and a few smart habits to keep those extra charges out of your life. Avoiding Regions Bank overdraft fees comes down to 3 key strategies: monitoring your balance, utilizing their special overdraft grace period, and setting up overdraft protection. First, the most basic, but most crucial step, active account monitoring. Regions makes this easy with online banking and their mobile app. Log in frequently, or better yet, set up alerts. Regions allows you to set up text or email notifications for when your balance drops below a certain dollar amount. You can also get a negative balance alert or an overdraft alert. These are your early warning systems, your chance to act before a fee posts. Next, you need to understand Regions overdraft grace. This is a huge benefit. If a transaction overdraws your personal checking account by more than $5, Regions gives you until 8 p.m. Central Time on the next business day to bring your available balance back to a positive amount, or to an amount overdrawn by $5 or less. To use the grace period effectively, you need to make a fast deposit. The best options are depositing cash at a Regions branch, depositing cash at a Regions ATM, or transferring funds immediately from another Regions account using online banking. This next-day deadline is a critical safety net. Finally, the long-term solution, Regions overdraft protection. This is your automatic backup plan. Overdraft protection links your checking account to another Regions account, like a savings account, money market account, credit card, or line of credit. If you make a purchase that would cause an overdraft, the bank automatically transfers available funds from your linked account to cover it. The best part? Regions has eliminated the transfer fee for this service, making it a no-brainer layer of security. To set this up, you can enroll through online banking or speak to a banker. A quick bonus tip: Regions offers an account called Regions Now Checking that does not have overdraft fees and may be a good option if you frequently struggle with them. So, to summarize, set up balance alerts, use the overdraft grace period to make a quick deposit by the next business day's 8 p.m. deadline, and enroll in overdraft protection to link to a backup fund. By using these 3 simple methods, you can gain control over your money and make those annoying overdraft fees a thing of the past. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.